This is Infinix Hot 20i, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So to begin with, connect your smartphone to the Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store, sign in if necessary. In order to do that, we will use in order to set the auto screen off value to never or to infinite, we will need to use the help of the third-party free app that is called Caffeine, so let's go ahead and quickly get it. After that, you can just go ahead and open it. And all that will be left to do is for you to make sure that the timeout section of it has the infinite value set. And as long as you do not close it and the Caffeine app stays active in the background, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.